Next, let's talk about Internet Gateway. AWS Internet Gateway provide a simple and secure way to allow the communication between instances in your VPC and the Internet. Internet Gateway is a horizontally scalable, redundant, and highly available VPC component. Internet Gateway serves as a bridge between your Amazon VPC and the Internet. It enables the communication between your instances and Internet. Internet gateway must be attached to a VPC in order to function. A VPC can only have one internet gateway attached at a time. The internet gateway is referenced in the VPC route table to allow the traffic to flow to and from the internet. Instances in a VPC with an internet gateway attached must have a public IP address in order to communicate with the internet. Internet gateway is a core component of any VPC architecture that requires a secure and reliable connectivity to the public internet. There are a few key points about Internet Gateway. Connectivity. Internet Gateway provides the connectivity between your VPC and the Internet. It enables the traffic to flow between public IP addresses assigned to your VPC and the public Internet. Scalability. AWS Internet Gateway is horizontally scaled, meaning it can handle a high volume of traffic and is designed to automatically scale as your network traffic increases. Redundancy. AWS Internet Gateway is redundant, which means if one gateway fails, another can take over without any disruption to your network traffic. Security. AWS Internet Gateway is stateful gateway, which means it tracks the state of the network connection between the VPC and the Internet. This allows it to enforce the security policies such as allow or block the traffic based on specific criteria. Configuration. You can configure your AWS Internet Gateway to route the traffic to specific destinations, such as other AWS services, on prem resources, or Internet. Cost. Internet Gateway pricing is based on the amount of data transferred over the gateway. There is no upfront cost, and you only pay for what you use. You can use the Internet Gateway to provide the Internet services in your VPC. You can use the Internet Gateway with Net Instance or Net Gateway. That totally depend on your application architecture or business requirements.